Hi, my name is Mr. Barranca, and I'm the principal at Masonic Heights Elementary, and this is my daughter.
Hi.
Her name is
Olivia.
And today we're going to teach you how to make, what's it called?
Glitter jar.
Glitter jar. And what's cool about the glitter jar is that you can
Shake it.
and then you
Watch it.
and it helps you calm down. We'll show you how it's done. Ready? We're so calm, aren't we?